Connect KuCoin Spot service to MT5, which is provided by the TradingFinder group. Traders can simply download and obtain the expert file directly from this section, and to learn in a more comprehensive way how the service works and operates, they can refer and consult this detailed page. From the Navigator section, we run the expert file. And before running the file, we go to the Tools section, then to Options, and enter the Expert Advisors tab. At the bottom, we enable the Allow Web Request option, and at the bottom of this section, we will include the URL link related to the KuCoin Proof of Stake. To get the link, you can copy it from the website section and paste it here, and after that, click the Confirm button. After entering the link, we can run the expert, and at the bottom, it displays information related to the expert for us. In total, 1281 pairs have been identified so far. From the Market Watch section, under Symbols, in the Custom section, we can access the KuCoin Spot scan, where we are able to select the desired currency from the available options. Here, for demonstration purposes, I will select one currency, I open the chart for the selected currency in this section, and the relevant detailed information for the chosen currency is displayed for me here. In the lower section of the interface, it shows us the fetch data, clearly indicating that data for a total of 999 candles has been successfully received from the KuCoin exchange and is now displayed for us in this section. This service transfers the coins and pairs available on the KuCoin exchange to MetaTrader 5 so that we can perform our analyses on the desired currencies within the MetaTrader 5 platform. This expert advisor receives real-time spot market data through KuCoin's official API and displays them as price charts. We go to the Settings section under Inputs, and here we have two tabs available. The first section relates to the number of candlesticks it retrieves from KuCoin's chart and displays for us. Here you can set a minimum of 300 candlesticks and a maximum of up to 10,000 candlesticks. The next option is for when we want to open two or more charts of the same symbol and want their number of candlesticks to be equal. For example, we have one symbol but have opened several different charts for it, and if we set this input to true, the number of candlesticks for each chart will be equal to 1000. And if we set this section to false, the chart with the higher time frame will take the candlesticks from the chart with the lower time frame and construct the candlesticks for the higher time intervals. To make this even clearer, I'll go ahead and open a second chart of the same symbol for demonstration purposes, which will then display the second chart for me using the plus icon. Basically, I can switch between different time frames, and in both charts it will display 999 candlesticks for me. However, if I set this option to false, and open the second chart, if I switch to higher time frames, for example, my first chart is on the 1 hour time frame, and then I set the second chart to the 4 hour time frame, the first chart will have loaded 999 candlesticks for me, but the first chart, as you can see, remains unchanged in its data. It continues to display the same information as before without any modifications. The maximum number of its candlesticks is 250. These 250 candlesticks in the 4-hour time frame are created by grouping every 4 candlesticks from the 1-hour time frame to form one candlestick. Now, when we switch to the daily time frame, the strength of the candlesticks it shows us is much less. It displays about 42 candlesticks. Be sure to pay attention to this point as well. The second chart cannot switch to time frames lower than the first chart. The first chart is set to the 1-hour time frame when we launch the charts from this section for the first time. The chart it displays for us is set to the 1-hour time frame. That's exactly why the second chart cannot show time frames lower than 1 hour, and it displays data based on the first chart. Each tick that occurs on the KuCoin exchange is recorded based on its high, low, open, and close data, and with every tick, the prices are updated in MetaTrader 5 and a new candlestick is formed. Alright friends, we've reached the end of this service tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comment section.